Positivity is contagious, so is negativity. Choose to spend more time with people who think positively, speak positively, and support your vision, your life purpose, and your projects. With this beautiful quote, I start my today's topic of discussion. Hello everyone, this is Rupa and you are with me in Teachings of Life, the place to learn life skills. Today's topic of discussion is beautiful things happen in your life when you distance yourself from all the negative things. Let's understand the topic with a beautiful fact. Once a frog decided to reach the top of a tree. All frogs shouted, "It is impossible, it's impossible." Still the frog reached the top. How? Because he was deaf and he thought everyone was encouraging him to reach the top. So, be deaf to negative thoughts if your aim is to reach your goal. In this ever-changing world, to stay away from negativity is a big challenge. People often took different steps and followed various methods to practice to stay away from negativity. But they got driven by their negative thoughts consistently. One would be surprised to hear that negative thoughts are not self-driven unless and until someone responds and actively participates with them and make it actionable. Negative thoughts are common in every individual and they are empathetically dragged in every time we engaged in the process of thinking. But not everybody has the same tendency to stay away from negativity. Some people have developed the practice to stay away from negativity and some people drawn by it. Once the French writer Anais Nin said, "We don't see things as they are, we see them as we are." It means if every one of us has to render the same thing at a particular frame of time, not everyone would come up with the same conclusion or result. This is simply the difference inability to control and monitor the negativity. So the best way to keep ourselves to stay away from negativity is to be into a state or phase of positiveness and practicing the same over again and again. Here I have found few easy and magical steps that help us to stay away from negativity. Step 1. Stop responding to your negative thoughts. Thoughts are magnetic waves and inevitable. We do not have any control over them from happening to us, but we do have the ability to control them by responding or not responding. When we respond, we experience the effects of negative thoughts, such as thoughts that create the emotional states of fear, anger, anxiety, guilt, shame, or regret. The muscles in our body actually become weaker. Our stress levels go up. We experience changes in our biochemistry and hormone levels. All the above starts just by a single response to the negative thought. So, to bring enough control over the negative thoughts, we have to stop responding to them. To stay away from negativity, one must take this initial step as quickly as possible. Step 2. Surround yourself with positive people. The next step is to find the people who already developed the art of controlling and monitoring the negative thoughts, and they could easily get rid of it. Positive people are always generous and a firm believer in this process. They are optimistic and know what is better for the human mind and what's not. They believe in it is better to be an optimist who is sometimes wrong than a pessimist who is always right. There are two ways to develop a positive attitude. One, you can learn by your own. Two, you can follow someone who has already developed it. Being into the association of right-minded people, one can understand the process and implement and grow fast. This has got you one of the best ways to stay away from negativity. Step 3. Read books to avoid negative thoughts. To stay away from negativity, reading a book is one of the best ways that keep you updated, motivated, and always positive. Book reading is one of the key elements that keep people super active, energetic, passionate, and positive. Because while reading a book, it can be about anything, but the purpose is to spread the positive energy and aspects to humankind. Hence, monks and philosophers always choose to be in the circle of books and Vedas. Step 4. Set your goals and act now. It becomes too easy for you to stay away from negativity if you keep yourself engaged in activities which is vitally important for your goals. Setting up the goals help in mental healing and keeps one away from negative thinking. While one is indulged in the act of goal setting, his conscious brain focuses on the creative portion, and hence generation of more thoughts is not possible. Goal setting also activates the hormones that help to bring balance to mind and happiness. While setting up the goals, one must be picturizing the happiness and achievement. So by replacement of negative spaces with the positive happens automatically. Step 5. Focus on the present moment. Negativity arises when we are ruminating about what happened in the past or worrying about what could happen in the future. In the present moment, all is probably well. So to stay present, ask yourself what is absolutely true in this moment. For example, I am alive, I have a great family, etc. You will experience a sense of peace and then have access to greater joy in that moment. Step 6. Help others. Negativity goes hand in hand with selfishness. People that live only for themselves have no higher purpose in their lives. If the whole point of this world is only to take care of yourself and no one else, the road is too long term fulfillment, and purpose is going to be long one. To learn how to get rid of negative energy, look outside yourself and begin to help others. Step 7. Take a break from social media. Social media is a beautiful platform where we get connected to a lot of people across the planet. It has a lot of advantages and benefits to keep us updated always. Social media is fast and so relevant that it helps countries to grow much higher and develop. We are so blessed to have such an amazing tool that enables a lot of offerings in our service. But sometimes we got occupied with lot of information which we do not need indeed. We got overwhelmed with so many things that are useless for us. Then we start thinking negatively that what and how something happened in our case. Why I am not like that person? Why is this happening to me? when they are all okay and continue. So, staying updated is good, but it is loaded with lot of unwanted pieces of stuff that are not okay anyways. Now it is the time to prioritize your listing and divide your time accordingly. After all, letting go of negative thoughts is like that. It is such a huge physical release. A profound sense of well-being washes over you. You have been wearing a heavy lead suit, and then you can step out of it and float onward. With this, I end my today's topic. Please go through my YouTube channel for more videos and share with love and joy for the world. To enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is my aspiration. Thank you.